Hi, kindergarten friends. Let's talk math. We're in a new chapter. It's chapter 7. And the theme of this chapter is seasons. The little girl is saying, look at our changing seasons. And there's a little video to watch. So let's watch the little video.
Look at our changing seasons. The spring is a great time to plant a garden. Let's use math to see what you can grow. You have 10 seeds and your friend has 5. How many plants will you have when they grow? 10 and 5 can be composed to make 15. See? 10 and 5 more is 15. Wow! 15 plants! You must really have a green thumb. In the fall, it gets a little colder outside. It's the perfect time to go to the pumpkin patch. There are 12 pumpkins and you want to carve faces into 2 of them. 12 is like having 10 and then 2 more. You can decompose 12 into 10 and 2 more. That means you can take 2 pumpkins and still leave enough for 10 of your friends. You can use math in any season. Just remember to wear a coat when you start to count snowflakes.
Okay, so now that we watched the video for the first part of the chapter, now we are going to do the first lesson. Today's lesson is lesson 1. Make numbers 11 to 15. So that means that we are going to do some math where our answers are going to be either 11 or 12 or 13 or 14 or 15. So we're going to be using some of the teen numbers when we do addition. So we're going to start with the beginning of the chapter. Investigate the math. Okay, how can you use objects to make a group of 10 and some more? So we know that we have here a 10 frame. So this is a 10 frame. There are 10 squares in this frame. So we are going to show 10 and some more. That's what our group is going to have. So let's start our group with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that fills up our 10 frame. But it says, how can you use objects to make a group of 10 and some more? So we need 10 and some more. So what is something we could do here to show 10 and some more? Can you think of something? I'm going to show you one way I can think of to make a group of 10 and some more. I'm going to do this. So now, how many is in my group? This is my group here. My group is all the circles that I have put here. So how many are in my group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a group of 10 and some more. Good. Now, is there another way we could do that? Make a group of 10 and some more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What would you do to make a group of 10 and some more? What would you do here? You can just say it out loud. Okay, so now I'm going to make another group of 10 and some more. Is that a group of 10 and some more? Yeah. How many is in that group? Well, we know we have 10 in our 10 frame, so 10, 11, 12. 12 is a group of 10 and some more. All right, let's move on to what's on your pages. Your packet, on the front of your packet, you've got 2 empty 10 frames. 2 empty 10 frames, and you are going to be using a red and a yellow crayon. A red crayon and a yellow crayon for this. So now I'm going to go through and do an example, and then you will go through and do this after we're finished. So you're going to use red circles to show 10. And then you're going to write the number. So we're going to start with the red circles to show 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then write the number. So you need to write the number over here. How do I write a 10? 1, 0. All right, now, second part of this. Use yellow circles to show 4 more. And then write that number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I write the number. Write a 4. All right, now the last part of this, what number does 10 and 4 make? Write the number. So now you can look at that and you can say, what number does 10 and 4 make? Well, 10 and 4 more. So I can count 10 and then I can count on from there and count how many I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 and 4 more is 14. 1, 4. So that is how you do the front. Now you're going to go on to the inside of your packet. So you're going to open it up and you're going to look at the See and Show page with the blue circle with the number 1 in it, the top of the page. And then there are some ice cubes and they look like they're melting. So we are going to read the directions. Okay, first you're going to count 10. And then you're going to color the objects red to show 10. All right, now I'm not going to color these right now because it would take a long time, so I'm just going to take a red counter and put it on top. But you're going to color them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, trace over the number 10 down here. Okay. Then you are going to use yellow to show how many more there are. How many more than 10 there are. So, how many more do we have in this 10 frame? 1. So there's 1 more. So I'm going to put that right here. 10 and 1 more is what? Well, you count them all up together, and how many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you will write the number 11 here. A 1 and a 1. That is 11. So now, on this page, number 2, you will see, oops, I didn't mean to leave. Well, let me clear that. I did not mean to leave that on there. Oop, didn't work. Come on. Why isn't it working? Oh, because I have to clear it down there. Okay, so for this one, you will see clouds. And then the directions will tell you red and yellow counters again. You will use red to show 10 and write the number, yellow to show how many more you have and write that number, and then trace over the number. That's what you'll do on the See and Show page and the On My Own page. Both pages on the inside have the same directions. Then on the back, you have your problem solving. Now for your problem solving, you might think, oh, I know exactly what to do, but I want to read you the directions so you can see what we're supposed to do here. So now you are going to trace the number 10, and then you are going to draw objects to show 10 in the 10 frame and color them red. Now, what you can do there is you can just take a red crayon. It's a little trick for you here. Just take a red crayon and draw the things with red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you are going to take yellow to draw objects to show how many are in the other 10 frame. More. Show the number in the 10 frame. So now, if we look over here, you color them yellow. So 1, what number is that? 2. 1, 2. That is the number 2. So you're going to trace over the number 2. Oops, I traced it in yellow. 2. Kind of messy, sorry about that. 10 and 2 is how many? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 and a 2 is 12. So that is what you will do on the back. So now you're going to take this and you're going to get to work starting on the front of your packet. Good luck!